everybody, this has to be the best pizza I ever made at home in my home oven without any of the special tools. It is a copy of a Japanese Michelin star winning pizza. So I just copied the guy's recipe and decided, let me see if I can make it at home. And let me tell you, it smells delicious. It looks delicious. It turned out great. Let's taste it. Here's the slice. There's the bottom of it. Just cooked amazing. There's the top. It's just, I have never, this is just amazing. Wow. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to leave the recipe for you guys in the box. Wow. Just amazing pizza. Wow. It's been a while since I made a pizza at home because it's been so hot in Las Vegas. I really couldn't make the pizza and heat up the house. This is a delicious, delicious pizza. I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm halfway there. Please subscribe. Help me out so I can keep making these amazing pizzas. Thank you for watching and tuning in into Parks and Pizza. I'll see you guys in the next video.